Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.